Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install Unlinked on Chromecast. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get started. So, we're doing this in 2 steps. We're going to be doing step 1, where we would allow the installation of apps from unknown sources and installation of unknown apps as well using developers options. And then step 2, where we'll actually download and install this app using the downloader application. So head over to quick settings. All settings for step 1. I'm going to head over to system, go ahead and click on about, and now locate the build number at the bottom of the screen and click on it 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now that you've clicked on it 7 times, you become a developer. So now that you're a developer, you actually have access to install apps from unknown sources or install unknown apps. From there, you could click out and come back to the on this app drawer. Just find the download application and launch it. I have a video showing you how to download and install that app. If you do not have the app, just go to that video, download the application, and then come over here. Now, when you're on the application, launch it and come to the top bar and navigate to this top bar right here, and then come to the pound sign. Click on the pound sign and you have this numpad. So you can put in the code. The code we'll be using to download and install Unlinked is going to be 10381. So if you have that code in, click on done and give it 5 seconds to redirect. After the redirection, the download will begin, and from there you have the app downloaded. After the download is complete, you can install the application from there. And step 1 is going to help because we'll be able to install an unknown app right here. So the download is almost complete. You can see it is almost 100%. And if this is your first time, you may see a message saying something to the effect of install unknown apps or apps from unknown sources. All you need to do, head over to the list that will be below that message and enable Unlinked. So allow Unlinked to have that permission, and there you go. Go out 1 step and then click on install. So install will be installing the Unlinked app to the device, and you can click on open to launch the app and begin to enjoy Unlinked. Load up your libraries and have fun. Now, if you found that insightful, it was useful, subscribe to the channel for content like this.